All right, everybody, I'm outside here. I got the garage wide open, the front door and back door. It's beautiful out here. It's in the 60s. I think it's in the middle 60s. We were supposed to hit maybe 70 degrees today, but boy, I tell you what, it's nice out here. Daggone, and I am in full enjoyment mode. I'm back at the bench here. Man, I got some things to go over here too. Man, where do I start here? Let me see. Daggone it. All right, let's get over here. I got my 3D printer warming up. I like to get this up to about, now this is 10 degrees off. I contacted them about this and they said that that's normal for it to be, it could be 10 degrees off. So when it gets 90 degrees, which is 80, that's when I start the 3D printer up. And I just pulled this out of the printer and got it into the wash station and cured it. Look at the detail on it. This is a file that I purchased this morning. It's a 454 big block Chevy, supercharged. The detail on this thing is just absolutely amazing. And this is, let me see now, I know I'm gonna get his name wrong. Andre Bezrodny, I think that's his name, off of 3D's Cults. That's where I bought it. But man, I tell you what, that came out, no flaws, none whatsoever. I had a small block Chevy, a blown small block Chevy, and a big block Chevy that I'd been printing out, and I never could get every single piece to print out 100%, but always worked around it, you know. But this one here, that's a good one. That guy knows how to create a file, because I believe that a lot of my problems have been the maybe not a bad file, but not as good as what this is. And these are .stl files. But I'm getting, like I said, I'm getting fire this up. And I'm gonna print out another one of these because I got just a little bit of resin left in that vat in there, and I want to get that going. And man, let's take a look here. While we're on the 3D printing stuff, I printed out, this was a free file that I found. It's some wire wheels. Look at those skinnies. Let me show you one here. I pulled one off and put it together. But you know what? Those spokes are so small, and I put supports on there and it kind of tore them up. So, but I don't know, I just don't like how skinny those things are. Those things are almost like bicycle tires. I might try and print it again, not put any supports on the spokes itself, but I don't know, guys, I was just playing around. It was a freebie, so I thought I'd, while I was printing out one of those big block Chevys yesterday, I stuck that on the build plate and ran that along with the engine. So, like I said, it was a freebie. Well, guys, here's that 41 Willys pickup I've been working on. I cleared it yesterday, so it's been setting for 24 hours, so I can handle it really lightly. I just took it out of the, you know, I let a lot of my stuff just sit in my dehydrator just to be out of harm's way, because it's got the lid that comes down and, you know, no dirt or anything gets on it. So I just pulled it out of there and I laid the door cards on the doors to see how they'd fit, and they look pretty good. I think all I'm going to do is chrome the door handles on there. I think that might be all I'm going to do. But man, this thing's coming out pretty good. I'm really digging how the paint came out. Just super nice. That clear, I'll tell you what, that's that splash paint 2K clear. Man, that stuff is just killer. I just love that stuff. But anyway, this is going to set for at least 2 more days, and then I'm going to get after it. I don't think I'm going to wet sand this. I think I've learned my lesson, because it looks good. I'm just going to polish on it a little bit and then wax it up and be done with it. So that's going to be about all for that one there. But golly, there's the rest of it over here. I mean, and you know, guys, this is the decal sheet that comes with that kit. And I just don't know if that color, those decals would look good on there or not. I don't know. I am still up in the air whether, get over there, card. There it is. I am still up in the air whether I want to put decals on this or not. I just may, after I get it all polished up, just leave it as is. I mean, the engine's got enough color and contrast on it, and I think the chrome wheels down in there is going to look pretty good. I haven't trial fitted anything yet. I just don't want to touch it too much. But like I said, it's dry enough to just touch lightly, but I wouldn't want to handle it too much. But man, I'm getting there. Yeah, that poor old 37 Ford street rod's still sitting there. I haven't done anything with it. That's got that big block Chevy in there, that 572. I got it fitting in there pretty good, and I got the radiator and everything to fit, so I'm looking pretty cool on that. And there's that there's that little bitty old gasser there. It's got that small block Chevy in there. That's one of the engines I printed out. And the engine that's in here, that 572, that's one I printed out as well. But that little sucker there is gonna be nasty. Here's the rear end for it. I've already got it all figured out. I need to pull those tires off there and paint those, because I like to paint the tires that rubber black. Man, that just looks good. But I'm getting there on that one. And guys, I think that's about it. I mean, let's see where we're at on the heat here. We're up to about 79.2. But I think that's about all I got, guys. Just wanted to give a little update here that I'm moving forward on this sucker. Hopefully by Saturday we got some basketball games and things to go to, but hopefully by Sunday or Monday I'll have this thing all polished up and start the assembly on it. So that's a good thing. So get this one off the board, then I'll just have the 37 and that 66 Fiat to work on. All right, guys, I'm done.